Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix your Photoshop white color. If your Photoshop white color showing yellow, then this video is for you. So let's begin. First of all, just close your Photoshop and go to Windows, click the Windows icon and search color management. Color management, you can see here, and then just do a simple step. First of all, click this option, use my setting for this device, and click here identify monitor. After that, you can see here a add options. Just click here and add your this ICC profile sRGB IEC61. you can see color space profile ICM and click OK. After that, you need to set as default profile for it. Just click here, and now this is default, you can see here, and close. After that, you just open your Photoshop and then just make a new layer, and you can see now the white layer showing perfectly. Thank you so much. If you guys enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and thumbs up, and if you need to know any more Photoshop tutorial, please comment below. I hope I will make a better tutorial for Photoshops as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.